Hi, good morning to one and all. Myself, A. Ramasnelu. Today I am going to explain how to bisect an angle. Okay, I taken an example. Draw an angle of 75 degrees. Okay, and bisect it using geometrical construction. Okay, first I am drawing the two lines making an angle 75 degrees between these two lines. Okay, it is 90 degrees. Now I am going to draw the 75 degrees so that I am placing the position into 75 degrees by using the protractor. Okay, now I'm making an angle 75 degrees with the horizontal, so that I am drawing a line by using horizontal scale, so that okay, here it is the angle of 75 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to divide these OA and OB line into angle into two equal parts. For that, first draw an arc O as center with any convenient radius. Draw an arc with O as center with any radius. Okay, name it as C and D. Next, suppose I am joining C to D. Suppose the CD represents the straight line. Okay, in first case we discussed one method, that is bisecting of a given line. The same procedure I am using here. Okay, from C, drawing an arc taking radius greater than the half of the length of CD. I am drawing an arc. Okay, the same radius D as center, cutting this arc. Okay, I got one intersect point. That point is named as E. Okay, next join O and E. Okay, now the angle 75 degrees making an angle OA and OB is divided into two equal parts. Okay, this is one first part and this one is second part. Okay, by this way we can divide any given angle into two equal parts very easily. Okay, now measure the angle between horizontal line and midpoint by using the protractor. Here this is 30, 35, 36 and 37.5. we got that point at an angle 37.5. that means here the total angle is 75 by 75. Suppose dividing that angle into two equal parts, so that the required we got the angle is 37.5 5 degrees. Okay, thank you.